Hello, everybody. This is Miss Nancy, and I have a friend with me today. This is Miss Shannon, and she's going to help me do story time today because I can't use my right hand. Okay? So she offered to help, and I love having her help. You might not know it, but Miss Shannon is the lady that makes an awful lot of your kits. So when you're making those kits, think about her because she cuts out a lot of those little pieces and arranges them for you. Okay? Okay, let's get started. What do we do first when we're doing story time and a craft on Thursday? We sing our song, our hello song, right? Okay, let's get started. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we stomp and sing hello. Let's do the first verse again, okay? We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and sing hello. Okay, guys, we have a really funny book to read today. And the name of our book is Amy, the Red Panda, is writing the best story in the world. And if you look at that cover, you will know that this guy right here is Amy, the Red Panda. But who is that? Do you know what animal that is? That is a sloth. And that might be a new animal to you. They're very cool. Ready for the story? Once upon a time, there was a huge dragon who... Oh no! What? Poof! No! And look, there's somebody coming in this corner. What is it? A monkey? And what else do you see? Like a million letters falling from the sky. Do you think Amy can use those letters? Wow, Amy, look what it says. Amy, the Red Panda, is writing the best story in the world. I am the best story? Okay, once upon a time. Once? Everyone knows two is better than one, right? Gazelle training? Yay, gazelling! Look at those silly gazelles. Twice upon a time, a huge... It should be tiny. Smaller animals make better stories. Agreed. Agreed. Not agreed. Who said that? Yeah, the giraffe. Very good. Big. Small. In between? Ugh, this isn't working. Big or small, you need a better main character. Dragons are boring. Anyone can fly. Yes, that's the problem. The story should star a gazelle, not a dragon. Why did I sign up for this? You should write about the world's best acrobat, or a pirate bird flying in the 7 seas, or about a dentist, like a really cool dentist. How about a basketball player so tall he can dunk with his mouth? A story where no one can smell. A story about an underground explorer who works alone because another explorer left without a farewell. Or about a prairie dog who misses her best friend. Pirates! Acrobats! Digging, digging. No smelling. Gazelles! Mouth dunks. You have to floss 2 times a day. 2 times a day. This is taking forever. Let's just skip ahead. Smart thinking. Wait, I don't know what to write yet. What does the sloth have in his hands? Let's watch that, okay? There's nothing here. What a disappointment. Come on, gazelle in training, let's go. No thanks. I'm gonna dig. I can't do it. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. I can't. What is the sloth doing? What letter is the sloth throwing? Do you know if it's an O? Yeah, it's that round one. There it is. Bonk! Did Sloth throw the O at the Red Panda? You won't do that, will you? Good. Okay. Letter fight. Ha ha ha! Great idea, Mervin. Hey! Does that look like fun? It does, doesn't it? I know. That's my story. What do you think, Mervin? Do you want to read it? Do you think Mervin wants to read it? Yes, look at that smile. Okay. Amy and Mervin had a fun day. Hey, I really like this story. Write another one. Okay, we have a little rhyme for you to do, but I need to know if you brought your sloths with you. Oh my goodness. Do you have any sloths with you? Look around. You do. They're right here. Everybody put up your fives. There you go. 5 little sloths snoozing in the trees. One lost his grip and bumped his knees. Mama said a tree's no place to catch your Z's. Let's find a cozy bed for my sloth babies. 4 little sloths snoozing in the trees. One lost his grip and bumped his knees. Mama said a tree's no place to catch your Z's. Let's find a cozy bed for my sloth babies. How many now? 3. 3 little sloths snoozing in the trees. One lost his grip and bumped his knees. Mama said a tree's no place to catch your Z's. Let's find a cozy tree A cozy bed for my sloth babies. Sorry about that. Two little sloths snoozing in the trees. One lost his grip and bumped his knees. Mama said a tree's no place to catch your Z's. Let's find a cozy bed for my sloth babies. How many now? One little sloth snoozing in the trees. One lost his grip and bumped his knees. Mama said a tree's no place to catch your Z's. Let's find a cozy bed for my sloth babies. All the little have climbed down from the trees. Each one has a cozy bed for catching Z's. Mama said, sleep well if you please. I'll see you in the morning, my sweet babies. That was a good one, wasn't it? Okay, now we're going to sing our goodbye song, but remember, we're not really saying goodbye because we are going to show you what to do with your craft kit, okay? And Miss Shannon's going to walk through that with you and show you what to do first and what it's going to look like, okay? Okay. Wave high, wave low, I think it's time, we've got to go. Wave your elbows, wave your toes, wave your tongue, blah, 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 and wave your nose, wave your knees, wave your lips, blow a kiss with fingertips, wave your ears, wave your hair, wave your belly and derriere, wave your chin, wave your eyes, wave your hand and say goodbye. Okay, now hold on because Miss Shannon's going to set up and I'm going to move the camera. So don't get car sick when I move it, okay? Because I'm going to move the camera so that you can see what Miss Shannon is going to do, okay? Okay, are you with me there, guys?
Hi everybody, this is the sloth we're going to make, and inside your kit is all the parts to make it. And you might have a light color blue instead of the dark blue, but that's okay, that's the sky color, and you know the sky is sometimes light and sometimes dark. So here is a tree branch, and you can put this kind of at the bottom, and then the big oval is the sloth's body, and we can just glue this down.
So remember to grab your glue before we get started. That's the only thing you're going to need today.
Right. Okay, now it's in the screen. And then we put on our chubby little sloth's body, and his head is another oval, a little bit smaller. And it's going to lay on the branch too. Then this is kind of his light colored face. Like so. And he's got 4 legs. So you just decide, I'm going to have this one go under the branch. So you might do that before it gets dried real good, huh? And then another leg. He looks so relaxed. And then the 3rd leg. and the egg. Okay, then he's got these little dark brown circles for his eyes, and you might have to trim them a little. I did my best, but I made about 80 of these eyes, and I can't match up with the light face. So there's his little eyes, and then you can draw on his little eyes, eyelashes, and a nose, and a mouth. You also have these long pieces, and these are branches, and I didn't cut them. I just gonna let you make them smaller or whatever, and you can just stick them here or there and let them hang off how you want. If you want one long branch or 4 little branches, that you would put your green leaves on. Big leaves and little leaves, and just put a dot of glue on them.
Okay.
And there's your sloth. Doesn't he look relaxed? And he's sleeping in a tree.
Okay, we hope you have fun making your sloth, and we will see you next time at 10 o'clock for story time and a craft.
Bye-bye.
Bye.